Hey, how's all going? Got a little ripper for you here. It's a beauty. Great one to have around Christmas time. Suit yourself. But if you're a lover of stone fruit like myself, this one's a crispy peach. Here I've got around about 8 peaches which I've taken the pip out or the stone out of, and I've just cut them up into nice little slices. Now that's going straight into a camp oven. Oh, most of it goes straight into the camp oven. The second rule around here, that can go in. Alright, so they go straight into the camp oven on a couple of healthy tablespoons of brown sugar. Okay, so there's 1, 2, oh, I'll want some cornstarch or corn flour, and around about a tablespoon of that as well. Nice healthy tablespoon into the, as I say, straight to the oven. We'll save it, straight to the camp oven, and we'll save ourselves a little bit of washing up there. Okay, cinnamon. We all like cinnamon, don't we? Right, so we want around about, oops, a teaspoon of cinnamon into there, and about 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So that'll have to be pretty close to 2, I reckon. Okay, we're just going to give that a bit of a coating and a mix through. That's going to be the base of our crispy peach. Alright, now for the next step, I want 4 of those. So 2 cups of rolled oats. Back on that and put it out the road. And around about 3/4 of a cup of flour. Righto, we want brown sugar. 1, 2, and lucky number 3 into there. That's our brown sugar. We want about a teaspoon of salt. So there's about our teaspoon of salt in there. And 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Beautiful. Okay, now if we add our just apple sauce, just a normal apple sauce that you'd use in pies and things like that, that's going to go straight into that bowl. Right, now all we need to do is mix all those ingredients thoroughly together. I'm getting more out of the bowl than in it here today. So that's mixed through nicely, and we're just going to add that and cover the top of the peaches. Straight into there, beautiful. Okay, and we're just going to cover the top. It looks like we're going to get a pretty good crispy peach crumble out of that. So that's what it's going to look like in the oven. We'll bang a lid on that and get it on the heat. Righto, that's our heat set. So 10 briquettes under, 14 on the top. We've discussed all this stuff in the past. If not, now you know. And in around about 45 minutes or 40 to 60 minutes, we're going to have a nice golden brown peach crisp to sit down and enjoy a cup of. We'll have a bit of a look to see how this is going, eh? Oh, look at that. It's always nice, that puff of steam. Smells alright. The crispy peach tart. I can't wait to get me laughing gear around that with a blob of ice cream or a bit of cream or custard. And cut this little piece out of here. And see if we can't. Excuse Finky. Oh, how does that look? I reckon it's going to be worthwhile eating.